So Covert Athletics, we're a functional fitness gym, and we run classes, take people through functional fitness training to get them, better prepared for life, as we like to say. And so we run classes on a daily basis, performing weightlifting, gymnastics, plyometrics work, metabolic conditioning, stuff like that. And one of the reasons why we bought a cleaning machine to start off with is, it's a gym. So there's sweaty people. We make quite a bit of mess. We use quite a bit of chalk. So the floors and stuff like that get really, really nasty. And so we run that machine on a daily basis to keep the gym nice and clean and sanitized. One of my buddies, Zach, is one of our members here. He works for US Battery. He's known about our machine. We used, the standard, I guess you would say, car batteries. The issue that we were having is the machine was just powering through them so fast. They wouldn't hold charges very well. So it made the process of cleaning the floors really difficult. It just took way more time than was needed. We kept on having issues, whether it was one battery was going down or the other, so we just weren't getting the best use out of it. My buddy Zach was like, hey man, we're working on this new battery. I think it will honestly fix the issue that you have. And so he came in and installed it in, and it's been a game changer, absolutely, in how we're able to navigate through that process every single day. So when we initially had the batteries, the basic car batteries, I guess you would say, we were just having issues. Even when we had good quality batteries, we would maybe be able to get probably a full pass-through on the gym before we would have to go through the charging process, maybe a pass-through or two. Now with the lithium battery, I only have to charge, I think, maybe once a week. And I'm cleaning the floors now on a daily basis, if not twice a day. Obviously, we have about a 4,000 square foot facility, a little bit more than that. So I run the entire machine to clean the entire floors, and I do that multiple times a day. So compared to charging it on a daily basis, I'm charging maybe once a week, but I'm also cleaning the floors way more as well. So, from cleaning the floors once a day to now twice a day easily, and then not having to charge it as often. I go through the actual having to fill up the machine more often now than I do actually having to charge the machine, which makes my life a heck of a lot easier.